In this assignment, you're going to build a tool that allows you to input information and then do some geoprocessing commands and then output the information. So the concept is to input 5 counties of the same type. They should start in the same geodatabase for convenience sake. To input a river file and a railroad file, and then to merge the counties together to create a regional geography, take that regional geography and use it to clip the railroad and river files for the entire state, so you have just a road file, a railroad file, and a river file just for those 5 counties, and then to output that information, the merged file and the 2 clip files, back into a geodatabase. So what you're working on is, instead of having a script that has everything predefined in it, is that this tool will ask the user what 5 counties are going to be merged together. Where is the railroad file? Where is the river file located? And by doing this, it will make a very flexible script that could be used for 5 other counties or 6 counties. It doesn't really matter how many counties. We're just asking for 5 for a reasonable number for this assignment. So that's the purpose of this, is to build this script. You'll be working inside ArcGIS Pro, but to build the script that is going to give you the ability to input data and then do geoprocessing.